Let's talk about something that does not get spoken about enough: the aftermath of narcissistic abuse. Because the damage does not end when the relationship ends. In fact, for many people, that is when the confusion really begins. You leave, but you do not feel free. You feel disorientated, anxious, like something inside you has shifted. You thought leaving would bring relief. Instead, it brings questions. Questions about yourself, your judgment, and your sanity. And that's why in this video, I'm going to give you 5 key aftermath signs of narcissistic abuse and how you can begin to heal from each one of them going forward. So number 1, you constantly doubt yourself. You replay conversations in your head and question your memory. You wonder if you overreacted, if you misunderstood, if maybe it really was your fault. This is not because you are unstable. It is because gaslighting slowly trained you to distrust your own perception. Over time, your reality was chipped away. Your emotions were minimized. Your instincts were questioned until you started questioning them too. Now, healing begins by rebuilding self-trust. Write things down. Journal your memories and your experiences. Speak to safe people. Safe people who validate reality instead of disorientating it. The more you can anchor yourself in facts, the more your confidence returns. Self-trust is rebuilt through evidence, not emotion alone. Number 2 is you feel addicted to them. Even though they hurt you, part of you misses them intensely. You crave contact. You check their social media. You imagine reconciliation, or you replay the good moments that you had with them. This is trauma bonding, intermittent reinforcement, affection mixed with withdrawal creates a powerful neurological attachment. Your brain became conditioned to chasing the relief after the chaos. Healing means breaking this simulation cycle. So no contact when possible, no monitoring, no checking, no emotional re-engagement whatsoever. The withdrawal might feel uncomfortable at first. It can feel like anxiety, restlessness, or at times even panic, but it passes. And when it does, clarity will begin to return. Number 3, you can feel hypervigilant. You overanalyze tone or body language. You panic at delayed replies. You anticipate conflict, even in safe friendships or relationships. Your nervous system has been trained to expect instability. It learned that calm could turn into chaos without warning. So now it stays on high alert to protect you. Healing here is nervous system regulation. Breath work, grounding exercises, and constant safe interactions begin to retrain your body, and your nervous system needs repeated proof that calm is not a threat. Slow consistency matters more than intensity. Over time, your body learns that stability is actually safe. Number 4, and I mean this in the best way, but you feel shame. You blame yourself for staying in the relationship. You think you should have known better. You feel embarrassed that you tolerated what you did. But narcissistic abuse works through manipulation, idealization, and gradual boundary erosion. It does not begin with obvious cruelty. It begins with charm, attention, intensity, and hope, otherwise known as love bombing. Healing requires compassion. You were responding to potential. You were responding to the good moments and the version of them you believed in. You were responding to intermittent love. Shame dissolves when your understanding increases. You were not weak. You were conditioned by them. Number 5, you struggle with identity. You do not know who you are without them. Your preferences feel unclear. Your confidence feels fractured. Your voice feels smaller than it used to be. Long-term narcissistic dynamics slowly reshape your sense of self. You adapt to survive. You minimize your needs. You adjust your personality to avoid conflict with them. So healing here is all about rediscovery. What do you like? What do you believe? And what do you want from life? Start small. Make small decisions. Rebuild identity. Small boundaries that rebuild your strength. The aftermath of narcissistic abuse is not weakness. It's nervous system and identity disruption caused by prolonged emotional instability. Your reactions make sense in context. And here is the most important truth. And it's really important to remember this because many people feel this, but you are not broken. You are recovering from abuse. The confusion fades, the clarity returns, and your strength rebuilds over time. Healing needs to be intentional. It requires awareness, boundaries, support, and at times patience. If you recognize yourself in this, you are not alone. Let me know in the comments which signs resonated with you most. And if you're serious about rebuilding after narcissistic abuse, subscribe. Because healing is not about understanding them. It's all about restoring you. And that's what I'm trying to do here. And if you like this video, I'll put one on the screen that you might like even more.